Hi, this is the new bubbler for the Glofish. My wife told me that it'll look nice and will make my fish glow bright, I guess. But looks like they don't like it because I put it over there and the fish keep swimming in this area. This They have four Glofish. There's the blue, pink, orange, and green over there, and I also added a uh, dark background, but doesn't look nice because I don't see my big fish. Pleco is hiding over there. I'm gonna remove the. This is the background that I added. I just stick it on a piece of foam and I put it in the back of my fish tank, but it makes the fish tank look so dark. You're gonna put it again and you'll see the difference. The background is back on and looks very dark. Only the blue LED for the glowfish, but I don't think they like it because they are swimming over there. Well, most of the time they're under this plant. Well, I just got it because my wife likes it and she said the fish will love it and will swim in the blue bubbles and it'll be pretty, but I don't know what to say. So what do you guys think about this bubbler? I got it for like a $15 at Petco. It's Glofish bubbler. Okay, any questions, comments, or advice, you can put it in the comments. But I don't like my dark background. Look at that. It's a leaf, and I made this coconut myself. Okay, bye, have a good day. Look, the fish that I have. Okay, it looks like when I have all four together. Okay, have a good day. Bye.